In this video, I will show you how to activate credit cards as a payment method on your Shopify store. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Then, select Payments. Now here you have two options. The easiest method is to use Shopify Payments, because it allows you to accept all major credit cards directly on your store. If you want the manual method instead, click on Add Payment Methods. From here, you can search for different payment providers that support credit cards. Now choose any payment gateway you want to use. Some providers may include options like credit card payments, and in some cases even crypto options like Bitcoin or Ethereum, depending on availability in your region. Once you select a provider, click Activate. Now you will need to create or connect an account with that payment provider. For example, you may need to enter your merchant email and complete sign-up details depending on the gateway you choose. After completing the setup, your payment provider will be connected to your Shopify store, and customers will be able to pay using credit cards at checkout. That's how you can activate credit card payments on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.